I'm going to introduce how to put the fabric rolls into sample inventory and split into swatches and or hangers. Select Sample function in Scan Master and scan the QR code on the fabric rolls. Select cutting yards and enter how many yards will be cut, and followed by any kind of keeping unit. Then just scan the QR code on the fabric every time you want. You may scan the different QR code of fabric rolls to be cut. Let's scan 5 more. You will find them are in the stock of sample hanger and having different barcode number each sample. After that, you may move the sample into different storage or deliver to your customer by scanning. Thank you for watching.